Hello Jonathan, hope you guys are doing well. So this is a quick demo about ShibpurConnect. If you heard about it, that's good. If not, then don't worry, we'll um, discuss about that. So the plan here is to create a platform that can connect students, alumni, and our authorities. And like as a student, I can ask alumni some questions, and then as alumni also I can ask question to anyone else. And in near future, if our authorities willing to join the platforms, and what will happen, like as a student, if I see any problem in my hostel or in my hall, I can add that into here as a ticket or something, and then that request will be forwarded to that corresponding hostel super, and they will be get notified. So and near future we'll be having app in iOS and Android platform, and that in that time it will be much easier for us to send notification and real time. So let's start the demo. Will first do the sign up process here. Okay, it is saying thanks for signing up, please check your email to complete the process. Okay, let's look into email. Yeah, I have received one email saying thanks for joining. Let's click it here to confirm the account. Okay, I have confirmed the account. Login. Good. So this is a profile page, and all this text are currently hard coded, but near future we'll be able to add details about hobbies and skill set, all the stuff, profile image. Okay. So right now in profile page you can add your educational and employment background. Save. Okay. Experience. For two field you can keep it, you can leave it as if it is your current job, and make sure you add the uh, date in mmddyy format. So now I have added education and experience, and then the next thing is the list of questions and ask questions. Okay, so if you go into questions, you will see the list of questions that someone already added here. Okay, now I can see the question list here. Okay, ask questions is about asking a new questions here, and let's say I want to know what is going on about placement in our college. So okay, now categories. So this is most important part here. So whatever categories will add, the next page there will be a feature that will show you who can answer this question. Okay, so make sure you put the categories proper way. So here let's say this is a question about base 2, so I want to add base 2 B C. Okay, um, Yeah, so far let's keep these two, and I'm going to save it. So this is the question details page. So basically this means that the question has been posted, and you can see the tags has been added here. Now here this feature, okay, this is very important. So what it does, we have written one search, kind of like search, small search engine. What it is doing is basically going through the uh, individual profile, and then whatever tagging you have made here, and though it's searching those tagging into individual profiles, user profile, and retrieving those profiles here. So you can see that, okay, Nilanjan, Manotosh, and I added that this user actually. So these guys has Besu or BEC as their in their profile. So if you see here, if if I go into Nilanjan profile here, I can see that, okay, yeah, here he has a term called Besu. That's why that his profile came up into that list. So what this proof? Let's look into Munna profile here. Uh, yep. So he has a Besu as well. Okay. So this asks to answer what it is doing. Again, like if you put the categories correctly, you will get uh, alumni's student profile who can best answer your question. Okay, and this is the response rate. So there will be adding more data just to know, like, see, I'm asking a question, how do I know that this guy can answer? Okay, so based on his response rate. So response rate is basically how many questions we have requested this guy to ask, to answer, and how many he has or she has already answered it. So based on that, we calculate this percentage. And so, and there will be some more data, like we'll be trying to add um, his experience and all those stuff here, uh, as little as possible. So and to give you and give us some hint that, okay, this is the best person who can answer my question. But the whole idea about this feature is you will post a question and you will get suggestion about some profile who can answer this your question. Now let's send a request to Nilanjan and Matrix QA, this person. Okay, so I send them uh, the request to answer my question here. Okay, so let's see what will happen if I join. I know I have created this user, so I can log in, and we'll see what will happen if I log in as a this Matrix QA user. Okay, so I'm opening another browser here. Okay, login. Cool. So you can see that I logged in as a Matrix QA that user, and I have a notification bubble here. So what it is saying that Pritam Karmakar requested you to answer this question. Okay, so let's go to this question, and so this is the same question that we asked this person, and here you can see that already asked. These guys are already asked, so you cannot ask same question and to the same person again and again. Okay, so here this is my answer. Let's say this is my answer. I added it. Okay, now so this is I logged in this instance. I logged in using Matrix QA profile. Now I'll go back and I'll go back to my original one. So this is my instance, and here if I refresh this, hmm, I should see the answer. Yep, so I can see it, and so I can accept this answer here. Okay, so what will happen if I look into his profile? So you see that right now he has 446 reputation. Okay, now if I accept this question, that reputation should increase. So I have accepted his um, so let's say there will be 10 answers, and among 10 I can choose anyone as an answer. So I select this one and answer. Let's go back and see whether this reputation is changing or not. Yeah, so now it has been increased to 496. So we have, there are different kind of points you will be able to earn, like when you post an answer, when somebody accept your answer, when somebody do a upvote into your answer. So everything will be counted, and in an answer we can post a comment as well. This is a comment. Okay, cool. This is another comment. Okay, yeah. So uh, yeah, this is all about like how you can post the questions, add your categories or tagging properly, so that you get hint about who can answer your question. And in future, like, will not be restricting you only about what hint will give you. There will be a search option here as well in ask to answer, and there you'll be able to type somebody name, and you can ask, request someone from here. So for example, that you posted a question and you personally know that uh, someone who can best answer your question, so you can search his name or his name, and you can request him to answer it. Okay, now let's go back to the questions page. So yeah, so you can see our question at the top, what is our current placement status, and you can see the total views, how many views it has been received and how many answer it has. Okay, and yeah, you can anytime click on this tagging. Okay, so if I click on that tagging, I can see all the questions posted with category besu. Okay, now go back to questions again, and you can see the profile of the person who has posted this one, and this is the profile details. And yeah, okay, one more thing about this notification one. So as I shown you here, that okay, you will get notification when somebody will request you. You will also you will you will also get the notification through email as well. What's wrong? Okay, I'll go to my Chrome. I'll log out from my account and we'll log in through Netflix. Yeah, so you can see that uh, you have sent an email as well, and email will be same like someone asks this question, answer this question, and you can go to that question and post your answer. uh, yeah, that's it pretty much. And so again, yeah, if you, this search doesn't work, I mean we have not implemented, and so if any tabs, these tabs doesn't, so far we have not implemented. So anything, I mean, if you don't see it is not working, kind of we have not done it. But the, this demo is about to give awareness to everyone and also to take feedback. So please sign up, use it, and uh, if you see that if you have any other ideas about any new feature, please let us know, and we'll definitely try to implement it. Yeah, thanks for watching it, and we'll be in touch again with some new features and other stuff. Okay, bye, have fun.